Craving something cozy, spiced, and full of fall flavor, but don't feel like baking a whole cake? This eggless pumpkin mug cake is warm, fluffy, and ready in just minutes. It's like a slice of autumn comfort made right in your favorite mug. The best part? You don't need an oven, fancy tools, or even eggs. Just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. Perfect for those chilly days when you want a pumpkin treat now. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This forms the soft, tender base of your cake. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or jaggery for that deep caramel-like sweetness. Next, stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin spice mix. Give everything a quick whisk so the baking powder is evenly distributed. That way your cake turns out fluffy instead of dense. Now, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened pumpkin puree for that moist, rich texture, 1 tablespoon of brewed coffee, 2 tablespoons of milk, dairy or non-dairy works, 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together until the batter is smooth and lump-free. It should be thick but pourable like pancake batter. Microwave on high for about 1 minute. If it's still a little gooey, pop it back in for another 10 to 15 seconds. Let's cool down the cake for a couple of minutes. While it rests, we'll whip up a quick cream cheese frosting. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese and 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Mix until smooth and creamy. Stir until it's velvety and spreadable. Spread this luscious frosting over your cooled pumpkin mug cake. You can even dust a little cinnamon or add a drizzle of maple syrup on top. It looks beautiful and tastes like pure fall in a cup. And there you go, a soft, spiced, eggless pumpkin mug cake that's cozy, quick, and completely irresistible. The perfect single-serve dessert for sweater weather or anytime you're craving pumpkin magic. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.